Meaning of gora.
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 Gora. Gora is a term commonly used in South Asian countries, particularly in India and Pakistan, to refer to fair-skinned or white people. The term has a complex social and historical context, rooted in the caste system and the legacy of British colonialism. It is often used to denote a sense of privilege and superiority associated with those who have lighter skin. However, the term has also been reclaimed by some as a form of self-identification and cultural pride among South Asians. Overall, the meaning of gora is fraught with cultural and social implications that vary depending on context.